Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanajah. If you have not subscribed to my channel, girl, go ahead and do so. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. And yeah, today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I add moisture back to this dry, dusty, dull, crusty hair, because she needs to be revamped, honey. Like, what are you doing, baby? So I'm just going to show you guys what I came up with to add some moisture to my hair, because this has to go. First thing I started off by doing is I did wet my hair. I did that off camera, but I'm going to go in with my Aztec clay and my apple cider vinegar that I have already here in this bowl. And I'm just going to mix that up with this plastic spoon. You want to make sure that you're using plastic, because if you use metal, it does like deactivate the clay and it isn't as effective. So I like to wear gloves when I do this, and I like when I mix my clay, I like for my clay to be like a thick pasty consistency, because my hair just loves creamy and thick products. So I decided to do that, and I'm just gonna go in and add this section by section. Yeah, and this is just gonna be me doing this before I get in the shower. This is just like a because I want to make sure my hair was clean before I go in and just like add moisture, so that I know that, you know, my moisture is getting added, not on top of products, if that makes sense. So I want to start on fresh hair. So I'm just going to apply this all over my head, and I will show you guys when I'm finished doing so. Okay, now that I'm done adding the clay, I'm just going in, adding more clay where I feel like I need more. I try not to get this on my scalp, because it is hard to wash off once it gets hard. So get it as close as to the scalp that you can, but don't get it on your scalp, because it is harder for it to wash off. So this is how we're looking before I wash that off in the shower. And voila, I'm back. Fresh, clean, out the shower, fresh with baby powder. But yeah, so this is freshly washed hair, and I'm just going to show you guys what I use to like make this concoction for moisture. I used the 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner with avocado and jojoba oil in it by Aussie, and I'm just going to put that in like a Tupperware. And I also used extra virgin olive oil, the Great Value kind, and honey. So I felt like that this would work on my hair, being that both of the ingredients that I added to this deep conditioner were good for moisture. And I have a deep conditioner. I have other deep conditioners, but all of my deep conditioners have protein in it. And this was the only deep conditioner I had that was a moisturizing conditioner. So I didn't want to go in with protein, because I did like deep conditioner with protein in it like 2 weeks ago. And my hair is already dry, so I don't want to overload my hair with protein. So that's why I decided to make this little concoction. And yeah, so that I just wanted to put that clip in there so that you guys can see that. And I'm just going to go in and add this little concoction that I did to every section of my hair, detangling first, adding the product, and then twisting back up. Okay, now that I have finished adding my deep conditioner, I'm just going to go in and retwist those. As you see, look at those waves, girl. Look at those waves. So I'm just going to put on a deep conditioning cap, and you already know I gotta put on my hot head bunny to deep condition. And I deep conditioned for about an hour, and then I washed it out, and look at these luscious curls. Oh my god, do you see the shine, honey? Do you see the flowiness, girl? Do you see the definition? She's ready. Okay. But I know this video was short. I just wanted to show you guys how I added moisture back to my hair and what I did to my deep conditioner to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for making it to the end of the video if you did. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.